Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful button crafts ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is viewers, friends, button flower bucket. For this craft, choose button in different color and size. You can use one large button for the center and small button around it to create flower pattern. Attach the button to small wooden stick or craft a stem. You can make flower in different colors such as pink, yellow, blue, white, green. Once you have the flower, place them together in a small vase. You can also warp the vase with a ribbon or decorate it with more pattern. The best thing about this bucket is that never need water. It can be placed on a desk, shelf, table, and will add a cheerful handmade touch to your room. And viewers, button wallet. So friends, and they start with a canvas or a piece of cardboard. Draw simple tree trunk and branches. You can paint the trunk brown or use a marker. Now make the fun part. Use colorful pattern as the leaves. Glue the patterns along the branches. Use green pattern for a nature look, or mix different color for something more creative. You can even make a seasonal tree. Use cream pattern or spring orange and yellow button for autumn and white button for winter inspired design. This is a simple project, but the final result that looks surprisingly beautiful. And viewers, friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care and